Okay, so this is Jared with Second Chance K9 showing you how to repair your Zippo. Zippo is a brand lighter that I've been using since I was a kid. And you never have to replace it, you just have to replace the wicks and fuel from time to time, which is what we're doing here because it's not lighting anymore. So sometimes it gets like your wick will get this carbon buildup and then it won't strike as well anymore. So you just take a pair of scissors, cut that off. Alright. Make sure that it's out enough. And then you can start putting your packing back in. Which is why it's good to have a pair of tweezers. Kind of S that wick back in there. The part by the stem that holds the screws, though, is the hardest to repack. Again, it's where the tweezers come in handy. Once you get it all packed in there, make sure it's got a new flint in there. Grab that, put it back in your tube. Once that's in, put your topper back on. Put in your spring pin. And like I said, I've been using these all my life. And all you got to do is put fuel in them and change the wick, the little flint, and you never have to buy another lighter. They're great in the water, camping. everything. And now they make these new inserts that are the butane that stick in there, so that's a good one to have. And then you just put a little bit of fluid back in it, because it wasn't lighting at all before. Lit on the first time. Nice. Alright, so that's how to replace a wick in your Zippo. If you're having problems with it not lighting, but you have lighter fluid and you got a good flint in there. The problem is your wick. So just get the wick, pull it out. Sometimes you might have some more in there. Like I said, they're about 4 inches long. Just cut the tip off, feed it through, string it back in, and you're ready to go. Zippo, they'll last you an entire lifetime. Thanks for watching.